Last time I was here, it was back in February, if I'm not wrong. Mazeras. There's a park. At first, I didn't see it, but secondly, I came back and then I saw it. It's nothing fancy at all, but at least it's a park. There's this big tree. I don't know if you watch the Swahili movies, the Mzee type of movies. I think this is one of the trees. Yeah, like you chill down and the devil comes down. This is a big ass tree for real, man. She. It is chilling stones and shit. And there's butterflies and stuff. This tree, man, is fucking big. Yeah, it's nothing fancy that like something like a 4K or something. Nah, it's just a tree. There are butterflies and shit. That's how you know it's a park. So I'm going to explore it a little bit. This is like I think that's the store. Most of the buildings down here are old, so it's just an looking average park. If in your hood you don't have a park, this for it's like it's gold, and then there's like a lot of old trees and big ones, I suppose. But a lot of them are big, I suppose. So I'm gonna do like a Wolf King 2 and shit. So I'm gonna go down this road, then do like a U-turn someplace down there, and then come back again. Do like the whole park and shit. It's not a big park; it's just a small one. And this, I think, it's sponsored by this company. It's TSZ, the company that makes outfits for Kenyans, which you sell to the UK. And I never had chance to eat that money because it's not my money; it's the government fucking money. There's no yeah. So it's around the corner. This is like the end side of the corners and shit. Do you think it's a swamp? Let me get a closer shot and then I'll zoom in. Yeah, this one looks more promising. Yeah. Well, let me check it out. Yeah, so if if you grew around the railway places, these trees, not like trees like weed and shit. Yeah, if you touch them, they sleep. They're called Fatumalala and shit. Make it a good angle there, and then if you touch them, they start to close up. I don't think if you can see them, but yeah, that's all they do. Let me get a close-up shot. I think this is like you can bring your girlfriend and shit over here. And that's what you can see. It's curling back to its shell. Bitch. Yeah, I don't think it attracts the people. Let me get like a beer. It's a big park. That's the swamp. This is like the end side, the part of the company side. So this is the last big tree we have at the corner. The swamp still goes on. It's a big swamp. It's a big boy swamp. So this is the last big tree I've seen so far. It's a lot of timber, if you ask me. Except that the government banned logging. I could be home, going home right now. Okay, so this is like the swampy area. Look at the bridge. Wow. Yeah, the iron. This is sewage. This is nuts. This is not a swamp. This is sewage. Anyway, as long as the park looks green, right? Yeah. Look at that beauty. Okay, now I have to go the other side. So I did find a bunch of them. So I'll just do like that and then see the you can zoom in and see the shit. If you find yourself in Mazeras between Mariakani and Changamu, there's this car park. You can just come through. So I'll avoid going upward because I did a video on the hill. It's like a quarry and shit. It's up there. I did a video for like I think mid-January and shit. So that's the quarry, and then there is this other side. After connecting with the joint of the road, you come back here and then this is the road. You come to this one. So this is like the main entrance of the park, but there's no fence in it, so we have to pass through any road that we can acquire. Look, it's dope, the park, it's trees and shit. The person that come with the idea of planting the trees here he saw the future. And it's green. Now you can chill here. It's like bamboo sticks. Yeah, those are the trees and shit. Yeah, this is another big tree over here. So this is like the main road, but I'll avoid this road and pass the other one. So I can show you more. I can show you the Jaluo in me. I will show you more. So it's green because god damn. So for a small town to have a big park like this, it's something to be proud of. Not that it's in my county. It's in my county, but not really in my city and shit. Yeah, there's like benches to sit on, and there's this place that they put flowers. I think trees. I think you sell trees here or you buy them. Okay, I'm gonna pass this chom. This is like a bushy road. So there's like a lot of roads to pass through, but I'll use the dangerous ones because why not? More green trees, more long trees. It's still worth the area. Yeah. When do you last see big trees like this anyway? Doggers being around, they don't give a shit. This is like another outlet to the outside the park. It's bushy, and people come and sleep here sometimes if they want to. I'm not gonna film them because I don't wanna die. I'ma just focus because it's in the middle of the city center, so most surround it's the companies. The other one it's the EPZ, and the other one I don't know what they do, but it's in the middle. It's between two companies, and then the other one it's the main road. Then the back part is the quarry. So I think that's all of it. If that's not what I'm done with it, I think so.